LENZING Filtration is a specialist in solid liquid filtration. LENZING CanFil is a robust backwash filter with automatic cleaning out of our AutoLine product range. With its stainless steel design as well as few moving parts, LENZING CanFil is nearly maintenance-free. For the separation of impurities, this system uses wedge wire candles. The triangular shape of the wires leads to highest cleaning efficiency. The impurities remain on the inside of the filter candles and gradually block its pores, increasing the differential pressure. An automatic backwash is triggered upon reaching a defined differential pressure or after an adjustable time. The backwash arm rotates 360 degrees. One candle after the other is cleaned by means of overpressure in the filtrate chamber, initiating a reverse flow. While backwashing one candle, the other ones remain filtering. LENZING CanFil offers continuous filtration and highest cleaning efficiency. LENZING Filtration offers a wide product range for many industrial applications. To learn more, get in touch with our team.